Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So well, I hope you're fine. I'm also fine. So in this video I'm gonna show different unique and stylish table decoration ideas for your garden, for your different home decoration ideas you can make for different beautiful decoration for your garden. It is very amazing and unique table decoration ideas. It is very beautiful. Rocks art, stone art, different and amazing and unique table decoration ideas, and I hope you like it. It is very creative and stylish table decoration ideas you can make easily at home. And do not forget my YouTube channel, and please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can see different beautiful and unique paper decoration, wall decoration, different paper craft videos, tube craft, and more beautiful unique paper decoration ideas. So do not forget my YouTube channel and like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. So Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon viewers.